Today we are gonna move the chickens from right there to right there and show you how we incorporate our two little guys in a smooth way. First things first, turn the fence off before the babies get to the electricity.
Me and Jackie usually do this together because this chicken coop right here is full of 30 chickens and it's pretty heavy to move because we're on a pretty steep slope here, and if you lose control of it or anything like that, it can head down that hill pretty fast.
Normally what we do first is we take all the side post stakes out and the strings out. We loosen the fence posts, we pull the posts out of the ground. Like this one's a little tricky to pull out and sometimes it's easier to have two hands to pull them out. And then Jamie will start picking up the fence and I get the feed pans and everything and move them over and clean them.
All right, one thing they love to do is dump out the old water.
I know drinking.
The ducks just recently started laying eggs, and they lay them around here on the ground and in that compost pile over there. The kids really love to find them, so I am going to place an egg in the duck nest because the ducks didn't lay any eggs this morning.
We're gonna go on an egg hunt, Rivs? Let's go. Do you see any eggs? Oh, you found one! It's not broken. Good job. Should we go put that in the nest box?
Yeah. I found it. You found an egg?
Good morale boost for them.
If you walk behind her, she'll go where you want her to go. Good job.
One thing they also really like to do is get the chicken feed out of the buckets.
Yeah, I don't know.
There's a mouse in there? Oh, you're right. Oh my goodness. Let's see where he goes. There he goes! Woo! There he goes! That one's, we don't need to open it. Good job. All right, let's close this up. Got a little sidetrack with that mouse, but now we're back on track. Up, all right, now push it over. Push it over this way. There we go. All right, here they come! Hey, someone just laid an egg. You a chicken baby? Snuggling that chicken?
There's really three things they love to do. They love to open things, they love to dump things, and they love to find things. We have them dump the chicken feed out of the buckets into the feed pans for the chickens. We had them dump the old water out of the watering pans for the chickens. For opening, we let them open up the chicken coop at the end to let the chickens out. For finding, we had them find all the corner posts and let them pull them out of the ground. Also for finding, we did the little fun thing where I hid an egg for them.
There's a little more back and forth and it's slower with them. Like if I'm walking back, maybe Jamie needs to be watching them a little bit more. One of us works a little harder, the other one is talking to them and going a little slower. So it's not two adults going really fast. We're being as efficient as possible with two boys. It's fun bringing them with us and it's really cute seeing them be happy about the animals. They love helping and feeding the animals and everything.
Hopefully that gives you guys some ideas for how you can incorporate your little ones into farm stuff that has to get done. It was fun, we had a good time, and it kept us in good spirits as well.